In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how a clear case for your Galaxy Z Flip 5 would look like, okay? So I have this one from Milken. It's a clear case. They say it's a protective case, super frosted shield. So let's see what it looks like and how to put it on the phone. So let's go ahead and unbox that real quick. Right, so it comes in two pieces, as you can see. So you have two separate pieces, okay? Because obviously this is a folding phone, and unless you have leather or any other material, you cannot fold a case, okay? If you have this is hard plastic, okay? Call it frosted plastic. So let's go ahead and insert it. So the first part obviously goes to the this part to the cameras, and it goes like this. So what you need to do is just place it like that, and then give it a slight push like that, and it's gonna sit without too much force, okay? Just gently press it and it fits, as you can see. And then turn the phone over, and then this side obviously goes to the side with the port, okay? So again, put it on top, then give a slight push, just very slight and gentle, okay? And it sits. There you go. It's as simple as that. Now this case leaves this front screen open, so you can, because it's touch sensitive, you need to be able to access that screen, okay? And then the cameras are open, including the flashlight, and then you can always open the phone like that and fold the phone. That's what the hinge looks like with the case. It works perfectly, okay? And that's it. That's what the clear case on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 looks like. Thanks for watching and good luck.